Okay, uniform
The
motion.
object is covered with respect to time.
Object.
With respect to time.
Yeah, time is speed, something related to speed. What is distance? You are trying to understand this distance. You have to define it. Okay, you should give a clear cut idea what is distance is here.
100 meter starting to finishing is distance 100 meter.
100 meter. Okay, good. You got the point here.
Distance covered by minimum time.
How far it has
You are
traveled,
coming to the
sir?
speed. Speed. Okay, distance.
Sir, distance is how far the object has traveled.
How far? Far distance here.
Cover of distance, sir.
FER. Okay. Give me a more specific word terms, terminology in English. I'll tell you. Just
The distance between
total length.
Measurement.
Distance. You got to find here if there is a movement, motion. Object moves from one point to other point. What it covers? It covers some space or the length. You can use any both. Any one word. Length or the space covered by the object. Got the point here?
Yes,
What
sir.
is distance here? Sometimes it's only 2 mark. As you have been MP student, you may not ask any 2 mark. We may not ask any 2 mark question, but you can understand the basic concept of the physics. Okay. So what is distance here?
the length covered.
And the length covered. Okay, the length covered. So this always expressed in centimeter, millimeter, centimeters, meters, kilometers. Okay, the unit of the length. Already we discussed in the last class itself what is unit, SI unit. SI unit for the measuring the length, centimeters. I know is in small form is a millimeter, 10 centimeters, 10 goes meters, 10
Meters.
kilometers. Okay, this is
Kilometers.
expressed in that one. Okay, you got the point here. Suppose I'm moving from here to college, my room to college. It comes around 100 meters away, the main college office. Okay. So on the 100 meters in here, what is that 100 meters here? The length, total length 100 meters is called as a
Distance.
You got the point here?
So
I
your voice
use
is
one
breaking,
more
sir.
added word with it. Distance covered. Okay, distance covered. Now take a. Now I'm moving from my place to my room to college main office. Okay, what is the distance I covered?
100 meters.
100 meters exactly. Okay, you can answer. Okay, Rexon, take your hands from your face. Rexon, take your hands from your face. Yeah. Good. Okay. Good.
Sir, actually, your voice is breaking, so I'm just using my headphones here.
Okay. Understand. But it's being still. I thought it is a virtual background. Okay, I wanted to take you out. Okay, you can do it. So again, no worries. Okay, good. Now I'm moving to the college office. I'm going to the pavilion ground. Okay. Then make to the football court. Then again I move towards the handball court, and I'm reaching the college main office. How much distance have I covered?
You have to measure.
Now you should
The
very
distance
clearly should
between
understand. Yeah, the distance between my position
point
to the
A to
college
point
office is
B
100
to point.
meters. Okay, but here I travel somewhere here and there and reaches to the college office. Got the point here? But how much distance I covered? How much length I covered? More than the distance between the college office and my room. You got the point here? So the walking distance is totally different than the length between two stationary position. Okay, Rexon, good, you understand that? Okay. Now what I am telling this on here.
It's a uniform motion, non-uniform motion.
No, uniform motion only. We are not entering into the uniform motion till now. Okay, we are talking about only what is the distance. Okay, and we are going to differentiate distance from the displacement. Remember. Okay, this is the thing I am trying to make you to understand the basic. Okay, I'll give you one more example here. Okay, the football pitch. We'll take a football pitch. The football kept in the center of at the beginning of the kickoff. Okay, you and the match starts. Okay, where do you keep the ball in the center of the halfway line? Clear? From the center of the halfway line to goal post, how much distance? Can we keep it at 50 meters?
Nearly 45 to 50 meters.
Okay, can we make it a 50 meters? Can we make it a 50 meters?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I'm just kicking the ball along the ground. Ball travels in the straight line and reaches to the goal line. How much distance the ball travels? Covered.
50 meters.
You got the point here. 50 meters. Okay. What happens now? I'm kicking the ball in over the field. In airborne. Okay. Aerial. It make a curvilinear. You got the point here?
Yes, sir.
Ball reaches to the end line. Goal line. How much distance it covers? Can you
More than
say?
50 meters.
Can you say the same distance?
No.
50 meters?
More than
No,
50
cannot
meters.
say, because the ball travels more
sir.
distance. You got the point here? Same
And
way, I can
the
make it
time will be
another
going,
thing.
sir.
I'm kicking the ball to someone standing in diagonally in 10 meters away. Then he kicks the ball another 10 meters diagonally away. Then kicks the ball to the goal line. Goal line is a 50 meters. Okay. The ball goes here, 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 then goes to the end line. So the ball covers more distance here. Okay. And the distance means the total length covered by the object is called distance. Remember. Okay. So what is the displacement now? What is the displacement? Two different words. Okay. What is the displacement here?
Starting to the finishing line point.
Simply, it talks about the length between the displacement. The object moves from one position to other position. Okay? One position to other position. If I move from my room to office is 100 meters, or balls from the center point to goal line is 50 meters in a straight line. What is the displacement takes place only 50 meters or 100 meters in my case if I'm traveling from my place to office. Got the point here? What is the displacement? Only 50 meters or 100 meters. But the ball takes some other route to reach the position. Distance might be more. Okay, but what is the displacement? It is
100
always same here. Whatever the length between two. Got the point here? So unable to make something. Next class I'll make some board behind me. I can show you off. Okay. Got the point? Now, if you understand what is displacement and what is distance, now you can calculate the two important. One is speed, another one is velocity. One is speed, another one is velocity in reference to the time. Okay. What is speed now? What is speed now?
The amount of force given by the player.
Amount?
The time.
Distance covered by
Time, sir.
and a minimum
Distance
time.
covered. Remember the word distance
Distance covered by the player.
Okay. Distance covered. Okay. Distance covered. What is the if from here my Nandanam to Tamram 20 kilometers. Okay. How much kilometer? 20 kilometer. If I put a straight line. Okay. If you are traveling by a car or a bike or a cycle or walking, will you go in a straight line or in a curved in different forms?
Straight line,
All
sir.
in different form.
Or will be in a bending way, okay, like this. Got the point here?
Yes,
So
sir.
total distance, what is the distance? If I move from my place to Tamram, total displacement only 20 kilometers. But the distance might be according to the length I covered.
Okay.
Got the difference now? I think easy to understand in this point. Okay, what is the difference? What is the speed now? Distance covered and the time taken to cover the distance. Have you taken note now? Okay. I wanted to make, I didn't share you the screen because you are not writing. You're simply watching the screen and making a writing instead of understand and writing. That's why I didn't say share it. I'll make it a little later. I'll share the screen. Okay. What is the speed here? The total distance covered and the time to cover that distance. Okay. That means in simple word we can express total distance covered divided by time taken to cover the distance. Okay. If I go from Nandanam to Tamram, how much kilometer I covered? How much kilometer have I covered? 20 kilometers.
20 kilometers.
It's not a, I'm talking about only distance. I'm not talking about the displacement. Just imagine that I'm traveling in a straight lane. Okay. Just imagine it like that. Okay. So how much distance I covered? 20 kilometers.
20
I
kilometers.
covered the distance in 1 hour. I covered the distance in 1 hour. Okay. What is the speed now?
20 miles kilometer per
20
hour.
kilometers per hour. Okay. 20 kilometers per hour. Okay. Good. Remember, now I'll share my screen. Now I'll share my screen. Then you can understand what we discussed now, because sometimes the explanation more important. Okay. So when you are watching this, understand. Right. Could you able to see the screen now? Are you able to see the screen?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir,
All right.
not full screen, sir.
Now see that one. Okay. Distance already we discussed. Okay. Able to see the presentation mode?
Yes, sir.
Okay, the length covered from position to position. Okay. Expressed in a numerical quantity, millimeter, centimeter, meter, kilometer, etc. Okay, that's a unit of the distance. Okay, good. Right, the distance is the scalar quantity. Okay, the distance is the scalar quantity. Already we discussed about what is scalar and a vector. Okay, just give me a moment. I'll explain again what is scalar, what is vector. Give me a moment. Just learn this one. After this slide, I can explain you again what is scalar, what is vector. Okay, good. It is a distance is a what quantity?
Scalar.
Scalar quantity. What is scalar? No direction will be mentioned. I'll explain you in detail. Okay, good, good. Now we move on to the displacement. What is displacement here? Change of position of the object, not the distance covered. Okay, change of position. Okay, you got the point here. If it is a point A to point B is 50 meters, means it may crosses maybe 100 meters to cover. It may covers 100 meters for distance, but at the end of the day, end of the journey or end of the movement, it reaches to one particular position A to point B. Point is only 20 meters. That is the displacement. Okay, good. Here, this displacement includes the direction. Okay, initial location to the end location. It talks about it always includes the direction too. So this displacement is the what quantity?
Vector.
Vector quantity. So vector equivalent to the distance. Remember here, vector equivalent. Okay, but distance for same position, point A to point B is a 20 meters. Okay. If I travel somewhere here and going there and covering nearly 50 meters and reaching the point B, how much distance I covered? 50 meters. Okay, because I'm going left, right, like that. Okay. So, what is the displacement I have made it? How much displacement I made it? Only 20 meters. I may cover more distance, but at the end of the journey, I am reaching point A to point B. Only distance between the point A to point B is only 20 meters. Okay, that's the difference. Before that, what is scalar? What is vector? Okay, good. You are there now in a position. You are in a home, correct? Are you in a home, right? Or in a room? Clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You are following me. Yeah, you are the right place. Now, you have a book with you. Okay. You have a book. Correct? That book is 50 meters distance away from you. What does that mean?
Distance far from us.
Correct only. Yeah. You are correct. 50 meters away from your 50 meters is a distance, correct? 50 meter distance away from your position. Could you understand where the particular book is located?
Away from the 50 meters.
Huh? 50 meters away, 50-meter distance away from your position where you are located right now. What is the distance between you and the book? Distance.
50.
50 meters.
50 meters. Exactly. Could you
50
say where it is located? Could you say where it located?
But we have to
Anywhere.
Might be
Locates-
behind you 50 meters, or might be in front of you in 50 meters, or in your left side of the 50 meters, or in the right side of the 50 meters. Does the
No, sir.
distance, in
Straight to me.
says any direction?
No, sir.
No,
That
sir.
means that
Right
distance,
of me.
so that the distance is a scalar quantity. Got the point here?
Okay.
Right. Now I'm telling the displacement. I'm talking about the displacement. How much is displacement? You know the point, exact location of point A and point B here. You got the point? Why we differentiate the distance from the displacement? I'm telling you, a book 50 meters away from your left side. Where will you look now?
Left side only.
That's it. You know the direction now. Got the
Left
point?
side.
So,
That is
Yeah.
displacement.
as we include the direction to the displacement, now you just mark, put in a you have paper and pen right in front of you, right? Put a point to one point, put a dot over it. Now make it as a point A. Put it at A. Okay. Now, if you want to say 50 meters away distance, a book, where will you put the mark? Anywhere you can put.
Anywhere.
Anywhere you can
Straightward or backward or left side or right side.
In circular form, you can make it anyway. Circle, you can make it anyway, right? Now, point, put some distance away, put another point and mark B. Now, put a line to between that one A to B. Now, you can see the direction or not? Any direction you can say. Okay. Now, from point A, make this kind of S-shaped line to the point B. S-shaped line. S-shaped line to the point B. Now, understand what is distance, what is displacement.
Distance is
S-shape
that
is mentioning the
displacement. That S shape is this.
S-shape. Yes, S-shape.
Ah.
Distance, covers. Okay. What is that? The straight line mentioned here talks about the displacement. Okay. If the object move point A to point B in a straight line, how much meter between the A point to point B? What is the distance between point A to point
50
B?
meters. 50.
20 meters.
50 meters.
What meter you can put it? Okay. If the object travels from point A to point B in
The
1
straight
minute.
line.
In 1 minute. 1 minute. Okay. 1 minute. Time, the stipulated time I given you, taken time is 1 minute. Now talk about the speed. What is the speed? If it is goes a straight line,
What
what
is
is
called
the speed
distance?
between point A to point B?
Distance. 50 meters.
50 meters per minute. But the point here,
Per minute.
1 minute travels as a 50 meters. Okay. Now think about the S form. Will cover more distance or the same distance as you mentioned?
It covers more
More
distance.
More
distance.
distance.
Okay, whatever distance you mentioned, that will be the distance. Okay, already we have 50 meters, we already mentioned it. Make it a 60 meter. 60 meter per second. Got the point here? Right. Now, the same example will move on to the displacement here. Okay, it's all about speed. Distance covered and time taken to cover the distance. Okay, good. Now take the same distance now. Instead of using the word speed, we are using another word called velocity. Is that? Velocity. Okay?
Velocity.
Velocity. Okay. Now, what is velocity here? The displacement, total displacement and the time taken to cover the distance. Okay. Now, make another same 2 points here, point A and point B. Put in a paper. Separately. Point A and point B. Okay. Point A and point B. Okay. Now, make one S form. Make a S form. take a S form. Okay. Good. In the S form, how much distance it covers? Make
60
it a
meters.
50 meters. S
50
form,
meters.
total distance of S form is a 50 meters. Here, right. What is the actual distance between the point A to point B? Not S form, straight line.
It will be less than 50 meters.
No, less than. You make a
Less than 15
define a
meters.
definite number. Give a number.
40.
40 or
Number.
45.
Now what?
30 meters.
Now I travel from point to A
Approximately
to
30
point B in
meters.
S form. Okay, distance already you have mentioned it. Okay, in 1 minute. What is the speed? What is the speed?
Minimum possible time.
Whatever the S form distance and the time taken to cover it. But how much time taken? Only 1 minute.
1 minute per.
If you make it a 20 meters in S form, 20 meters per second. If you make it a 50 meters in the S form, it is a 50 meter per second. Got the point? Right. Now, what is velocity? Velocity, total displacement, and time taken to cover it in a particular direction. Remember it. Particular direction. Now you can see that point A to point B
Direction.
in one direction. You know the direction. What is the velocity now? What is the velocity now?
Speed.
What is the velocity now? Speed already you know that. S form total distance, S form of the total distance, and the time taken 1 minute. Okay. If it is
Magnitude.
S form is at 20 meters means 20 meters per second. Okay. So what is the velocity now?
The rate
The
of change
The
in
straight
motion.
line.
Direction. The direction.
Direction point A to point B. Direction easily you can understand. Point A to point B is a direction.
Direction.
Okay. Point A to point B.
Direction.
Clear direction. Okay. Now what is the distance between point A to point B? Whatever you mentioned in your paper, that is the number.
50 meters.
Huh?
50 meters, sir.
Whatever
50
meters.
meters.
Okay. S form is will be more. Now look at the if it is a 15 meters in the straight line, 15 meters per second. But there is a speed 25 meters per second. Velocity and speed. Okay. Velocity is the what quantity? Vector quantity.
Vector quantity.
Got the
Sir.
clear point here? Now we move on to the.
Sir.
I'll share it with you. I'll give you that exact idea. You can go ahead. Right. Now speed. Yeah, distance covered, time taken to the cover the
Distance.
distance. Now look at the triangle now. What are the three aspects involved here?
Distance, speed, time.
Distance by time. Distance that of divided by time. Got the point here? This thing can be rotated as like we can easily identify speed. Speed is equal to distance by time. Look at the triangle again. Okay. Now time also can be calculated. You know the distance.
Distance by speed.
Okay. Look at this. Distance by speed. We can find the distance by time. Distance by speed. We can easily identify the time. If you want to understand the
Timing.
speed, distance by time.
Time.
Speed equal to distance.
You want to identify the
Distance equal to
distance,
speed into time.
speed into time.
Time.
Speed into time. Speed into time. Got it? Okay.
Sir.
Right. You go ahead with this to okay, next class I can discuss about this one. Before that, I want to tell you one more thing. Let me introduce the uniform motion. Okay, let me introduce the uniform motion. Okay, this is the point for if we take consider a marathon runner. Okay, marathon runner. Okay, there are two forms here. One is a uniform motion, another one is non-uniform motion. What are they?
Uniform or non-uniform?
Uniform motion.
Non-uniform
Non-uniform motion.
The uniform is here. It talks about the speed of an object. The speed of an object. Okay, no changes. Someone at the early they say no frequent changes. Okay, someone answered me like that. It's correct only. No changes of speed. Okay, no changes of speed. Here you should understand two more concepts here. Most of the times the speed expressed in an average speed. Speed mostly expressed in an average speed. What is average speed? If I'm traveling from Nandanam to Tambram, can I go in a uniform speed? No. Sometimes
No, sir.
travel up to the Hyderabad, and if I'm
No,
traveling by bus, the bus comes to a halt. From that bus stop, again moves from 0 to other point. Again it stops. From there, it again accelerates and goes and stops somewhere. It takes 30 minutes to reach the Tambram, but it's not in a constant speed. Do you remember that word? Constant speed, not the same speed. Okay, so what happens? We are putting all together and calculate at an average. We find it at 30 minutes. That is called average speed. Got the point here? Here, the marathon runner runs. How many kilometers he runs? Marathon runner.
42 kilometers.
40 plus.
21 kilometers.
22 and 21.
Okay, 40 plus.
21.
What he does, we know easily understand the. We can easily understand the speed. Yeah, we can easily understand the speed. Okay, he travels. Okay, at 3 meters per second. He runs 3 meters per second. Okay, he runs for 1 minute. How much distance he covers? Total distance. Total distance. You got the point here? Little confusion only. I wanted to
180
complete that,
meters.
calculation, then I come to here. Okay, next class also will repeat it. Don't worry. Okay.
180
A
meters,
marathon
sir.
runner runs 3 meters per
180.
second. Okay. Here I am talking about the speed of the man. Okay, the speed of the object might be. Okay. Runs for how much time? 1 minute.
1 minute.
Okay. The SI unit for speed. What is SI unit? And I told you what is SI unit. Okay, like a centimeter, like that. What is SI unit for the speed? Meter per second. Remember, we express in kilometers per hour. Tambram is a 20 kilometers per hour. Even if you're riding a bike, we are talking about the hour basis. But actually, we should express it in meters per second. In each second, how much meter the object covers. That's the speed. You got my point here? All of you. Very
Yes, sir.
important point. Very important point. Okay.
Acceleration.
Someone speaking simply or asking question. Someone speaking yourself or asking question. Someone asking. Right? What is the SI unit of the speed?
Meter per second.
Meter per
Second
each
square.
second, how much meter the object covers. Remember. Okay. Now recall my sentence. Now a marathon runner runs 3 meters in 1 second. Each second, how much distance he covers?
3 meters.
3 meters.
Runs for 1 minute.
60
How much
seconds.
total distance he covered? Already I forgot the formula. Already told you. No?
180 meters,
180
sir.
meters.
180
meters.
180 meters.
Meters.
That 1 minute equal to the 60 seconds. Okay, 60 seconds here. 3 into 60.
60.
You got the point? Just forget about the unit here. How much total distance meter covers? 180 meters it covers.
Meters.
Okay, what is the concept? What is the speed here? First second also 3 meters per second. Second
Amount of
second also 3
acceleration
meters per second. Third second also 3 meters per second. Fourth second likewise the 60th second. All 60 seconds are the speed of 3 meters per second speed. You got the point here? That's called uniform motion here. All rate. Okay. What is non-uniform motion here? Like already given a best example. From here to Tambram I'm traveling. From here to Tambram traveling. I am not going the constant speed. I am zero. At the starting point, my speed is 0. Then I accelerate it. I'll go for 20 kilometer speed. After reaching the Saidapeta stop, I pick up some more passengers. From the 0 kilometer fast, I'm again accelerating. I'm going to the Gindi. Again, I come to a halt. and pick up some more passenger. Not a constant speed. Okay, sometimes it is accelerating, sometimes decelerating, sometimes go to the halt. But I'm reaching the Tambram 20 kilometers away from my place in 1 hour. What is my speed here? It is an average speed. That average speed is a non-uniform motion. Able to understand that one? What is the difference between uniform motion and the non-uniform motion? Okay, most of the times we are using the non-uniform motion. Most of the daily life situations express only the average speed, non-uniform motion only. Okay. Sometimes you're walking from your home to college. You walk in the same speed? No. Sometimes you walk fast, sometimes you walk slowly, sometimes you take a turn, sometimes you're halting for drinking tea or smoking. Isn't it? No, not smoking. Okay, so leave it. Okay, not smoking. Just leave it. Some people don't get offended. Okay, you are perfectly holy, very holy. So we'll take it consider like that. Huh? So you're walking back again. So total distance covered. Okay, and time taken to cover the distance. Total average only. You got the idea what is the uniform motion
Yes,
here?
Amma.
Uniform motion. What is the standard unit of the speed? SI unit, meter per second. Okay, I'll leave you some. Answer. I mean, some questions to you. Okay, you can if you're able to do it now, you can do it, or else you can do it in the home. I'll give you one more. I'll give you one more assignment. Right, take this one, okay? Easily you can calculate it. A man runs one side of the park to other. The park is 80 meters. Plus, the man takes 16 seconds to cross the park. What is the speed?
The speed of the dog. The park is 80 meters.
80 meters.
The man
Take a
takes
16 seconds. You are talking about the speed. Total distance covered 80 meters. Time taken 16 seconds. Got the point here? 80 meters. Time taken 16 seconds. What is the speed now? Not make it as a 1 second.
5 meters per second.
If it is the right answer or wrong answer, I don't know. See that. Any doubts on this?
Karna, sir.
5 meters, sir. 5 meters.
That's I'm not talking about those who correctly answer me. I want to care about the people who don't understand. The total distance 80 meters. Okay, time taken to cover the distance 16 meters. What is the speed of the dog or the man? Okay, now we have to make it for us per second because meter per second only we can express it in speed. Okay, so 16 second. Each second, how much distance the dog travels?
Distance divided by time.
Distance divided by time.
Simple.
Yes.
Got the point here? 5 meters per second. That's the speed of that one. Okay, good. Now, a little tougher one. You go ahead with that. A golf cart is driven at speed. Already here given the speed. Okay, 27 kilometers per hour. R, not in a second. It's an important point to listen here. Okay. For 10 minutes, if it is a 10 minutes, how far the golf ball travels? 10 minutes. Now you have to go with the identify the total distance. How will you find out the total distance here? Take the marathon runner.
Speed into time.
I also said speed already is there, time is there, into time. Got the point here? Now you have to convert this R into the second. Then only come to an exact point. Okay, converting the R into the seconds.
270.
Time also should be minutes, 10 minutes. Okay, but from minutes to how you have to convert into the seconds. 10 minutes equivalent to 600 seconds. Clear? Good. Work on that one. Don't worry. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. So I have your mail ID and phone numbers. Okay, you just mail me. I can explain you separately. now we have almost 5 more minutes. No time to ask questions. Okay, keep it, and you can post it through mail or next class. You can ask me in Wednesday or Friday. We have one more class, right? Any doubt, you are free to ask me. You can send me, but little easy part, but only understanding will be confusing. Okay, but the concept is very easy. Okay, right? Have you mentioned, all of you? Have you mentioned the group ICT? Answer me, all ICT people.
Yes, sir.
Another is able to hear my voice.